I, Cody, stand here ready to take you, Katelyn, to be my wife, best friend, and lifelong partner in marriage. As husband and wife, I know we will manifest a fun, loving, and supportive home for our family.
For the night, if they fall again, look around here, slow it down. We miss a page if we run about. I'll be ready when the pieces fall tonight. If they fall again, it's an honor to wait here, thrown out in the wreckage. Didn't want this in my cycling paces. You gathered all the wreckage and you made this safe.
Cody Ellis Cahoon, you are the love of my life, you are my best friend, you are my lover and my inspiration.
I know that with you by my side, we can overcome any of life's obstacles and have fun along the way.
Something about you. Pull me closer now, where you hold it all together, seamless and bound. Run into arms we found, where you hold it all together, hold it all together, safe and sound. Hold it all together, safe and sound.
Your sense of adventure and exploring what the world has to offer has inspired me by doing things out of the ordinary. You make my life extraordinary. So from this day forth, with you as my wife, I promise to always live by the vows I make today. I will love you whether we are rich or poor, healthy or sick, young or old. I promise to give you the best future I can and always support and uplift you. If we expand our family in the future, I promise to be the best father I can be. And lastly, I promise you'll never face any of life's challenges alone. I love you.
I promise that as we adventure through this rest of our lives together, I'll always be by your side. You are my dream come true, you're my world, you're the joy in my heart, the laughter in my voice, and the smile on my face. We complement each other so beautifully, and together we can face anything. I promise to help you be your best self and to support you, encourage you, and challenge you. I promise to give you the best of myself. I can't wait to grow old together and getting to know the man you will become and fall in love a little more every day. Today I give you my hand, my heart, my love, without condition, completely and forever.
By the power invested in me in the state of Florida, I do declare you to be husband and wife. Congratulations, sir. You may kiss your wife. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Mr. and Mrs. Cody Cahoon.
There's no denying that our time has come, shown to unfold stories untold. There's no denying that our time is gone. See you in a